see, lit by the light of falling stars.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this flirty pinky look using my, let me get it out of the thing, using my Huda Beauty new Nude eyeshadow palette, the new Nude little thing, kind of like it's a tongue twister. This beautiful, stunning palette that she launched recently, and I am doing a really pretty look on it with some purple plum winged eyeliner. I never do winged eyeliner, so this is an occasion and a rare moment. I didn't do it on camera, unfortunately, because my eyeliner is like clumping off, literally, because it's like dried up gel liner. So, if you want to learn how to get this really pretty, flirty pink look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and prime our eyelids using the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I will be taking my Colourpop like flat shader brush to grab the primer. Primer your eyelids, we're going to go ahead and set the primer with my MAC Cosmetics and Patrick Star powder called Patrick's Powder. It's just a translucent powder. I'm going to be taking my Luxie 233. I like this powder, but the packaging is cute, but it is not very practical. Just going to set my eyelids. And I apologize for the rain sounds. It's like raining and the winds are really like a lot. So you're going to hear that. Also going to go ahead and set my brows. Today we're going to be using the Huda Beauty new Nude eyeshadow palette. I did film a mini haul. If you watched my Disneyland vlog, I filmed that I got this palette. I also picked it up for my best friends Sarah and Tatiana for their Christmas gift, so I hope they enjoy it because I've been really enjoying this palette actually. And I'm going to, so there are 18 gorgeous shades ranging from cool to warm tones, including 10 buttery matte that blend seamlessly with your skin tone, 4 multi-reflective shadows with versatile pearly to iridescent finish, which I love that formula. You'll see when I apply it. There's 2 pressed glitters for an opulent touch, 1 pressed pearl for velvety shine, 1 concealer base to make the shadows pop. I didn't know that this palette included a concealer actually until I read the thing, because I had thought that this was just like a cream colored shadow. Yeah, so I thought that this was just a cream colored shadow, nothing like, not that it was a concealer or a cream shadow or anything. So yeah, so this is the palette itself. It's so gorgeous, so pretty. I love the mauves, I love the purples, like they're beautiful. That's what I'm going to be using on my eyes today. I'm really excited to do a video because I've been loving using this palette. This is I've used it like twice already and the shadows are just amazing. I'm going to start off by using my Morphe M504, and I'm going to take the color Play right here, this really pretty light peach color. And the colors are very buttery and soft. I'm just going to start off in the outer corners and start warming up my crease. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and take this brush, the Morphe R37, and I will be going in with this color Teddy right here, which is a really pretty light mauvey cool toned shade. I love this shade in this palette. It's so gorgeous and it blends easily and it goes in, it just applies really beautifully. I'm just going to apply this in the outer corners. Start patting it first. I didn't take any additional products, but I am still using the brush and blending it, taking the shadow inwards with whatever I have left. I'm going to be using the same brush still and take the color Tickle right here. This is like a cool toned purpley, like a little bit deeper than Teddy, but a little bit more of a purple undertone, if that makes sense. So this is color right here. Just going to slowly deepen that up as well. Oh, this is with the color Tickle. It's really pretty. Like, I love the shades and tones in this palette. It's just real gorgeous. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the color Raw. So we're just going in deeper and deeper with each shade. So Raw is right here. It's, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just a deep, It's like a cool toned, deeper mauve color, which is, they're just all so gorgeous. I'm taking another R37, I believe. Yes, another R37. Just the same way to apply shadow. I'm just going to take the shade, pat it on, and then blend it inwards. I'm going to go back with the other R37. I'm just going to blend. I'm not picking up any additional shadow. I'm going to go in with my M433, and I'll be going in with one of the deeper shades. This is called Spanked right here. I'm going to go ahead and take my R37 once more without any additional color. I'm just going to blend. Now we're going to go in with our lid shade. I think I'm going to take Fantasy and then I'm going to mix Daydream with it. Ooh, ow. So this is Fantasy right here, and then this color is Daydream. We're going to mix those together. Like, these are just so beautiful. Do you see this? Wow, that is gorgeous. I've never mixed them together, but I have used Fantasy like on my lids, so I'm going to decide to do that. They're like really gorgeous, and it's best to apply these with your fingers or finger. Like, oh my goodness, that's beautiful. And like, there's actually no fallouts because it's just because of the formulation of this, there's no fallout from these sparkly pink shades. Oh my god, you guys, these are so pretty. I hope my camera is actually catching how beautiful and shimmery these shades are. I'm going to go ahead and take my Lexi 229 Tapered Blending, and I'm just going to blend it so it's not like harsh. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe M433 once more, and I'm just going to blend out the demarcation. Look how pretty this is. I'm going to come in closer. Alright, so I decided that I wanted to put eyeliner on, so I am using this Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in Besto, which is like a plummy purple creme gel liner. I actually need a new one because it's really old. Like, it's a couple years old, and I kept putting like oil into it because it dried out. So the eyeliner is just a little bit crusty, but I don't have like any other purple plum eyeliner, so we're just gonna have to make do with what we got. I'm not going to zoom in too much because you might see the crustiness of this eyeliner. But we're going to go ahead and move on to my complexion real quick and apply some glow. This is my Sephora Radiant Luminizing Drops in Ultra Light. This is the bronzier shade. I'm going to go ahead and shake it up. I'm just going to apply it like this, since I'm the only person that uses it. My Tarte Cosmetics buffer brush and buff it out. So now that we're all festive and glowy, let's go on with our foundation. I'm actually doing like a first impressions wear test for the past within like a couple days for the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation in the color 430. So I'm wearing this every single day so far, and I'm like kind of like daily giving you guys updates on how I feel about this foundation. So once I do upload this, I will leave it down below, and please check it out because I think it's really cool, because first impressions are nice and everything, but first impressions can go either way. Like, you can really like a product, and then like once you start continue using it, you don't end up liking it, or when you don't like the product and then you just try it again, you will continue to like it. So it's really like, you never know. It's a gamble, basically, you know? So I decided that it'd be a cool way to test this foundation out for the next couple days while I'm actually doing things and going out and about and everything. So yeah, I'm going to be using this, and I love it so far. Like, I actually really like it. It is so lightweight and it's just great. It's very liquidy though. I'm going to go ahead and use my Sigma Foundation F60 brush. I haven't worn eyeliner in so long. I need to get a new one of this Creme gel liner. Okay, I actually really like how I like the color, but I just don't wear eyeliner so often, so I never like pick any up. My lids are hooded. You can't really even see it, you know. It just sucks. I wish I didn't have hooded lids. Now I'll be taking my Lexi 530 Flat Top Kabuki. It's hard since this foundation is so liquidy, so I'm trying not to use my hand. So now I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender. I'm just going to grab the foundation just to soak it up. Foundation. So this is how it looks with just the foundation on my face. So I'm going to be going in with my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer in Ginger. As you can see, I am scraping the edges of this concealer, but I don't want to waste it because I took the stopper out and there's still a lot of product after I took the stopper out. So I'm not going to waste it. This concealer is $30, you know? Usually I'm going to be taking my Morphe E28 to blend out the shadow in my inner corners. Go ahead and take my Huda Beauty the Overachiever Concealer in Nougat, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'm going to squeeze the product out. And you honestly don't need a lot because this is a very full coverage concealer. I'm going to go ahead and blend. And this concealer is honestly so amazing and so full coverage. Like, look. I don't know if you can tell, but it's great. And it mixes really well with the with this L'Oreal foundation as well, which is nice. It's hard since I have eyeliner. I have to be real careful. Alright, just make sure you blend it. And then we're going to set. Alright, so let's go ahead and dust this off. I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in 220. I'm also going to take the Real Techniques contour brush. I'm just trying to like finish literally swiping the edges of this powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Lexi large powder. I'm going to go ahead and grab whatever I can and dust it over my face. So now I'm going to go ahead and warm up my face, and I'm going to be using my MAC Cosmetics Studio Sculpt Defining Bronzing Powder in Delicates from, I forgot what collection this is from, but it's like a summer collection that MAC did a couple of years back, the Morphe M551. And it's just like a very beautiful, not matte, but like if there's a sheen. So it's very beautiful and it blends into the skin really nicely. Go ahead and contour using my Too Faced Coco Contour Chisel to Perfection. Taking the two contour shades here. I'm going to be using my Morphe E4 angled brush and really just chisel out. Just like blending it upwards. Really just the face. I'm just going to blend, and then I'm just going to carve out the contour. So I have my lashes on. I'm wearing the KoKo Lashes Queen Bee today, and I use the House of Lashes glue. I also went ahead and put my mascara on, which is a Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes, and yeah. And I dusted it off. Oh, and I'm also using the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon in Bronze Garnet to tightline, and also we smudged it down a little bit onto the lower lash line. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the Nude palette, and we're going to go ahead and take the color Raw with my Morphe M432. Smudge this right on the bottom of my lower lash line. My eyeliner is literally crusting off. Oh my gosh. And take my Dose of Colors shader brush, and we're going to blend this out. Go go ahead and take the color Teddy right here to just blend out the harsh lines. Alright, so we're going to apply some blush. I'm going to take my Colourpop palette and take Tulip to Quit right here and just dust it over my face using my Dose of Colors angled contour brush. I literally just love the way blush looks. Alright, so our finishing touches, honestly, I'm going to go ahead and take my iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors highlighter in Bathe, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. I wanted to use this since we're using a pinky look today. This is like a pinky highlighter. Taking my Luxie Tapered Highlighter 522, and I'm just going to literally go ahead and set my brows. I am using my Colourpop Brow Boss. This is the clear shade color. So now we're going to go ahead and set our face. I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus today. I just love the smell of MAC Fix Plus. So I went ahead and applied mascara on my lower lashes. I'm wearing the Benefit Roller Lash, and now we're going to go ahead and line the lips. I'm using my Makeup Forever Artist Color Lip Pencil in Completely Sepia, which is number 602. And then I'm going to mix a little bit of my Colourpop Lippy Pencil in BFF2, which is like a brownie. Which is like a brownie, deeper nude shade. Then our lip of choice is going to be the Fenty Beauty Unbutton Stunna Lip Paint. Alright, sorry if that last couple of minutes of the clip was a little bit out of focus. It's kind of hard to see from afar. Since the liquid lip has dried a little bit, I'm going to go back with my Colourpop BFF2 and just kind of like deepen it. Too curly at the moment. I'm waiting for it to set. Alright, so this is actually the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Also, don't forget to press the bell button so you're notified the next time I upload.